Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to thread a bobbin on a sewing machine. First things first, we're going to loosen our wheel. Then we're going to put our thread on the left post right here. Then we're going to go take the thread and pull it around this little disc. And that'll create some tension. And we grab our bobbin thread from the inside towards the outside. You don't want too much slack, you just want a little bit. Then we push our bobbin down onto the winder. Push this piece in and then start pushing on your foot pedal. And with this being in between these two discs, that prevents it from flying away and getting tangled, and this piece will actually pop out and prevent the bobbin from overwinding. It's looking like we're running out before we even get to the end. Alright, that's all there is to it, and then you just pop this off. And there you have your wound bobbin. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.